Looking for countertops in Dallas? Hard Rock Imports is a 5-star rated countertop fabricator and installer in Dallas, Texas, and the surrounding areas. We have over 40 years experience in the industry. We offer quality craftsmanship, and we provide the best prices on quality countertops in Dallas, Texas. As a factory direct Dallas countertop fabricator and installer, we can help you with design, fabrication, and installation of all types of stone countertops, including quartz countertops, marble countertops, and granite countertops. Our high-quality craftsmanship includes our impressive mitered edges and near-invisible seams, all backed with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. For a free no-obligation design consultation and estimate, call us today at 469-583-1091 or visit our website, hardrockimports.com. Our friendly and professional experts will be with you in every step of the process.